Yeah, see, initially when people come to us, we are known because we are the authorized centers. We are kind of supported by the US State Department. And when the student comes to us, we kind of initially guide him, keeping specific US in mind as to what are the majors that are really, really deeply looked into. For example, if somebody comes in for mechanical and they come and tell us that Germany is equally known or is better known, we let them know about the unconventional changes that have come into the automobile industry, which have been initiated by the US. We highlight about US education system being example law. A lot of people say we have a very similar system to the UK, but we try and tell them about dispute resolutions and about the modern world changing, and a lot of things which did not exist a century ago, on which the law entire system is based, is something that US teaches us better than any other country. So for us, we try and bring out the highlights of the unconventional, of modernization of the US education system, the flexibility which recently, if you've read an article, IIT says that they are, whenever a country has to take an example of an education system, it's mostly you will see that India is becoming like US, although our roots were in the UK. Now IIT is promoting that we are going to, in another 2 years, follow the methodology that US follows, that we are going to allow the students from one IIT to follow credits from different IIT during the summers, or within IIT being able to pick up credits from different departments to make a single or a double major. Now, example is always the US, which kind of goes to show that it's been an example to the world when it comes to imparting education. It has the maximum international students, so these are certain things we try and tell them that if this is what they're looking at, unconventional methodologies, diversity, no racialism, and value for money, opportunity for an OPT, CPT, which later on gets you jobs in the US corporate world, are certain factors that we guide the students towards.